Hey guys, so in today's video I want to teach you how to transfer crypto on Binance from your funding wallet to spot wallet. So if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, don't forget to smash the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when next we drop videos like this. So I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Let's head straight to Binance. So I will be teaching you this process on my mobile phone. So you open Binance app. So once your Binance app opens, it opens like this. So the next thing you will do is to click on wallets. So is to click on wallet. So once you get to wallet, you click on the funding area. You can see I have 12.94 USD. So the next thing we'll do is we'll click on transfer. So once you click on transfer, this is what you will see. So you make sure, since you're sending from the funding, you make sure the from is from funding, and you make sure the to is to spot. So let's say you want to transfer a USDT, not BTC. So you click on this and select USDT. Okay. So once you select USDT, you write the amount. Let's say you want to transfer $10 USDT. Okay. Once you write it like this, please make sure you check it very carefully before you do this. So once you check it like this and it is good, you click on confirm transfer. So boom, transfer has been successful. So let us try to check our spot to see maybe the money has landed on that spot trading account. Let's refresh. You can see we have $10 on our spot wallet already. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash on the red subscribe button below this video, like I earlier said, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is it. In my next video, I will be teaching you how to transfer from spot to funding.